this channel, we've gone through many easy tutorials. Now it's time to get a tad bit harder. Today we're going to be drawing something a little more advanced. Today we will be drawing the Mona Lisa. Yes, Leonardo da Vinci's very own Mona Lisa. Let's get started. So you will need a paper. Portrait mode is the best because he drew it in portrait mode. Now you will need to just draw a circle. Let's just start with the basics. Like that. There's your circle. Just draw that circle and then we'll be good. Now, next you'll need to draw a smiley face on that circle. If you can see it clearly, there's literally a smiley face on that circle. Now you'll need to draw an upside down question mark without that point, without it. So I'll just do that right now. Like that. Hope you can see it. So next you'll need to draw a line, a steep line going down, starting from here. There, you got your steep line down. Now, another steep line. There we go. Now what you'll need to do is just draw one line. Sorry, I'll just need to get a new. There we go. Papermate. Good old Papermate. You will just need to draw a steep line going down, just like that. So it gets like, these parts are like the shoulders, and this part will be like the arms, because she's kind of like, so let's just add a little chicken arm over there. There we go. Now a line, a super long line, going over the other arm. Like, so it's kind of like an X. Now just draw another chicken hand. There. Now that we've got the basics done, now it's time to work on the mostly advanced part. You got it, the hair. So, just, the hair it can be any hairstyle you want, as long as it's just long or something, just like that. As long as it's long. So, you'll just need to draw a landscape in the back, like that. Man, I would just love to jump in there with her. No. Now, just take your painting down. You don't need to take your painting down. You can just finish it off a bit. In fact, I will do that. So, finishing it off. And almost done now. There we go. There is your Mona Lisa. Yeah. Oh, sorry, just a little bit of ink on there. Anyways. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as you noticed, I got a new watch. I'd like to give a shout out to iTouch Wearables. This is the type of watch I'm wearing. And I just hope you follow this super easy tutorial. I'm Dash Longworth, and I'll see you later. Bye.